I'm Kim Serafini, the founder, CEO and creator of Positive Prime Technology. Thank you and welcome. This is going to be a fabulous orientation tutorial, an overview to help guide you immediately so that you can get the most out of this experience. Whenever you need a real boost or to recalibrate or to deal with any frustrations or angers or anything that's upsetting you, or indeed you want to actually push yourself to that very next level and you want to perform at your peak, choose to watch a session. And how are you going to do that? Well, from inside the dashboard. As soon as you arrive as a brand new free member with your own account inside Positive Prime that's safe and secure, you will notice that you've been gifted 120 credits. Look up in the top left-hand corner of the screen. That is our currency, and you use it in our shop to actually acquire a piece of content that's absolutely perfect for you based upon your goals. You really are very important, valuable, and you and your life are worth it for you to actually dive into this extraordinary technology that will help you to seriously transform in a magnificent way, especially with your thoughts and those very stubborn mindset issues you might be dealing with, and indeed the way that you're feeling, and absolutely with respect to your behaviors and habits. It's scientifically proven, we're really proud of that. All of the components of the very special proprietary formula, the secret sauce, are evidence-based, and it really works inside 3 to 5 minutes. Well, that's all you have to watch every single day, and allow it to have a compound effect as you exponentially transform in an empowering and enriching way. Alrighty, so without further ado, here are a couple of top tips. Make sure that when you watch a session, so your first viewing experience of any brand new piece of content, like a program or a different subject, of which there are hundreds for you to choose from, allow yourself to just be patient while it loads. You're probably going to have to play through twice because our software actually caches the first and the second time around so that it loads a lot more quickly after the third time. You're going to see your name. Why is that important? Well, because I'm sure, like me, you've actually attended an amazing seminar or retreat or a workshop where you've read a bestseller, a self-help book, something on professional or personal development, a biography, something that's inspired you. And you've thought, wow, I want to adopt those behaviors, those habits. I want to adopt those aspects of the character or the personality of the hero or the heroine. And yet, we have this remarkable mind that sometimes doesn't internalize the messages that we actually want to adopt, that we want to integrate into our identity. Seeing our name helps us to do that, but there is something so much more potent that you could do right now, and that is you could actually upload as if you were attaching a range of your own personal photographs so that you can actually customize each and every single piece of content that we call a session, and that will actually help you to internalize the messages. It accelerates the change. It absolutely amplifies your ability to adopt these new messages and the essence of those so that you actually start to live them and apply them. All you need to do right now is go to upgrade account. Choose, for example, the premium option and trial it. Within the first 7 days of your brand new membership, you have the opportunity to have a 100% money back guarantee. We'll give you a refund. All you need to do is actually upgrade your account and then activate your edit button so that you can actually upload your own personal photographs, add in some new images. I'm going to suggest that you always choose to add in photographs of yourself, your family members, anyone who's near and dear to you, your friends, your colleagues that you really value, those people that you respect, perhaps even the people that you might want to work with or play with in the future. Anything that's going to allow you to actually convert your Positive Prime session, this particular program or experiential change transformational tool, into the most powerful vision board and gratitude on the planet. So you can actually visualize and also be anchored in a vibration that's very healing and healthy for you because you're really focused on who and what you're grateful for and why. So without further ado, go actually upgrade your account and then edit a session. It's relatively intuitive to use. If you need us, please know that we're here to guide you. Reach out to us. We're very happy to have a quick chat, a short consultation that will make sure that you get the most out of this experience. And then watch that session that you've personalized every single day for 30 days and notice the subtle shifts in the way that you feel, the way that you're showing up, the opportunities that are actually being drawn towards you, that you're attracting, that you're open to, that you're actually now aware of. Start to see the signs. You will find that you will actually hear what you need to hear. You'll be where you need to be. The right people, the right places, the circumstances, the situations that are going to allow you to live your dreams and actually be the very best that you can be, whilst you're also feeling a lot of grace. And it's very simple, it's very easy, and it's actually very quick. Get to it, watch a session today. I absolutely can be really honest with you. When you personalize a session, it's so much more powerful. You owe it to yourself just to trial the membership right now and then upload a couple of photographs. When you're really advanced, you're going to want to list down everything in your bucket list and think about the experiences that you want in your life and your goals and that which you're trying to accomplish and achieve. Then you can go to Google Images and find amazing photographs that you could then upload into your private collection, and you can transform yourself and this experience. And you'll find that magic and magnificence and miracles and the majesty of life unfolds for you. You are so precious, as am I. Our lives are so precious. We really, really, really need a tool like Positive Prime to help us to navigate all that actually is on our journey that's both upsetting and also uplifting. It will help you to build resilience, you'll feel more resourceful, and the science actually says you'll make more accurate decisions faster. So whenever you're faced with a choice, make sure you positively prime yourself first. There's so much more in terms of training and tutorials and workshops and masterclasses on offer for you, and we've got an incredible science section. So go dive in there, have a look at some of the science that actually really substantiates what's on offer here for you. But you have one of the most phenomenal activities or exercises right now in your hands for the rest of your life, and we know that there's nothing else on the planet like it. So we love it, we hope you'll love it. Use it like I do, and I'm going to wish you all the very best and tell you how excited I am and how grateful that you're here. Thank you, 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 thank you. As you get to know me, you'll know that I really believe in appreciation and thankfulness as one of these extraordinary emotions that help us to literally be a lot more peaceful. Love you. Ciao.